welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. So today we're going to spend a day together. We're going to go to a new bagel shop, get some bagels and coffee. Then we're going to go to a new bookshop that we haven't been to. We're going to go to a new bookshop that we have been to. They've been open for about a year now. And then we're going to run to Hobby Lobby. And then we're going to come back and get lunch and go on a picnic. And then we're going to come home. My Maurice's is coming today, so we have a try-on haul. Jacob's going to watch the games. So we may read, what else may we do? We may go to Walmart. There's a sweater I'm eyeing. Just lots of different things we're doing today. So let's go. First, we need to pack the picnic basket. Picnic basket on our honeymoon. So it is all packed and ready to go. I think I'm either gonna get the honey ham one or I might just get the bacon egg because we're doing lunch meat for lunch.
Yeah.
What are you getting?
I don't know. I might get that smoked salmon bagel.
The lox.
Yeah, or just the regular bagel with cream cheese, because that was pretty good. I've had it before. The blue cheese icing, or icing.
Cream cheese?
The blueberry cream cheese, yeah, really good.
Let's see. Yeah, I might just get the classic BEC or the garden egg. I can't decide what I want.
And the coffee, we're getting coffee there too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the coffee's cheap. Small is $1.20. Well, it says small, but the small I got was like that big.
Yeah.
I like smoked salmon. Especially on cream cheese.
They have an Appalachian, which is a plain bagel with sweet honey cream cheese, sea salt, and a drizzle of honey. That even sounds good.
That does.
And they also have an avocado bagel.
What? Do they have bacon on it?
No.
Oh shoot! I'm not feeling sweet. I'm feeling savory and salty this morning.
Yeah, I think that's why I don't know if I want the bacon or the garden egg.
What's the garden egg?
So the garden egg is garlic bagel with egg, arugula, red onion, Swiss cheese, and a drizzle of olive oil with sea salt. Or they have your choice of bagel with
Lord.
egg, bacon, cheddar cheese, and mayo.
No, the other one looked good. First one sounded good. No, what's the other one that you choose it from?
Bagel with egg, bacon, cheddar cheese, and mayo.
Oh, that was it.
And the hot honey ham. Bagel with egg, ham, Swiss cheese, and honey mustard glaze.
I think the garden egg sounds good.
Yeah, I think the garden egg's what I want.
What's the arugula? No, what cheeses they have on it?
Swiss.
Swiss. Okay. Yeah, that does sound good. And the bagels come from New Jersey.
Yes.
Apparently.
And they have a pumpkin swirl drink, which is espresso mixed with spiced pumpkin sweetness, silky white mocha, and topped with a fluffy pumpkin cold foam, creating the ultimate seasonal sip. It comes hot or iced.
Apparently New Jersey is known for their bagels.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. I thought New York was. I guess New York is... It's New York and Montreal, I think, are known for their bagels. I'm not a bagel guy, but I never had a good bagel.
And you had their bagels the
I had
other
their
day.
bagel, and it's not chewy. Like,
yeah.
If you go to McDonald's and get their bagel sandwich or get a bag of bagels, it's always chewy. It's like eating bread gum. Like, I don't want to
And then for lunch, hopefully we make it back in time because we have to be back home by 3. So we can't spend too long at the bookstores.
3:30.
3:30.
Yeah.
Because remember, the Valley Falls is 30 minutes away. So. But for lunch, I think I'm going to get a half sandwich. We have arrived to the bagel shop, and it was called Bishop's Bagels and Brews. It was very busy. There was about a 20-minute wait, but it was game day in Morgantown. They have the sandwiches on the walls, and they're flats, which are open-faced bagels. The decor in this place was absolutely stunning. Someone came from New Jersey and painted that little logo. They had the cute little jelly cat, lots of comfy couches, lots of artwork. But my favorite part was these window seats. Absolutely gorgeous. I could see myself curling up with their amazing coffee and just reading right here all day. So here's some of the bagels: cinnamon raisin, very berry, blueberry, onion, rainbow, chocolate chip, which I really want to try. And they also had jalapeno, garlic, French toast, a soggy, everything, and plain. And this coffee, let me tell you, I'm craving it today.
It's like there's nothing I can do. So I can't give her account. But also, every quarter I like to let like just over the counter stuff like $50 a quarter or something. And I think, you know, it's just.
Gee, thank you. Oh yeah.
All right, that was absolutely delicious.
Yeah. I told you it was good. You all right?
Stuck on it. Absolutely delicious. It was so good that we got one to share. And Jacob's in trouble because this is on the way to his Melrote. And this coffee is the best pumpkin I've had all year.
Yeah. I just got the drip coffee.
I got an Americano with sugar-free vanilla and one less sweet pumpkin. Perfect.
Now the first bagel, my bagel I got had smoked salmon. I don't know what kind of cream cheese.
I don't remember what kind of cream cheese.
Red onion and capers.
And then I got the garden egg, which was garlic, bagel, egg, arugula, and onions, and I added mayonnaise.
And hot sauce.
And hot sauce, and it was delicious.
Yeah, mine was. I didn't have to add anything. Mine was really, really good.
And then we got a cinnamon bagel with the sweet honey cream cheese to try. The bagels are perfect, guys. Like, it was amazing. So if you're local, go try that Bishop's Bagels. And it was super, super cute in there. It was really cute. Yeah.
It had like those cute little window seats and everything.
Yeah. Yep, so we will be back, and now we're on our way to Strange Light
Yes.
Bookstore.
Oh, you're gonna film me?
Oh gosh, I'm nervous. And hates it. He hates
What the hell, Mom?
What are your thoughts? Is it like terrible?
If you don't like it, I will say have Lauren, like, if you feel like it's too grassy, slap some strawberry cold foam on top. That makes a huge difference.
Well, I like the taste of like
Earthy tones.
Earthy tones, yeah.
Don't put it all.
It's good. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, we'll take it. It's good. Well, matcha's your first time. Make sure you put that.
So your final, wait, it's crooked. Your final thoughts on the matcha?
It's okay.
You're not a matcha person?
No, it has a weird taste, but she also did say it has a lot of caffeine in it. So I'm kind of like wary because I do watch my caffeine intake. But
I like it. I can't drink a whole lot of it. Because I thought...
you thought it didn't have any caffeine.
I thought matcha was just like green tea, but doesn't have a whole lot of caffeine, but I didn't realize it was a concentrated kind of amount of green tea. But I like earthy kind of tastes.
I do not.
Like like coffee. Like mine, like kind of like earthy, nutty kind of thing.
Yes, you do. I don't.
We're seeing a whole cast of people.
Yes. It's game day. What we doing?
A little picnic.
A picnic?
With our little picnic basket.
Mm-hmm. A picnic without a little visitor. No, I didn't ask for mayonnaise. Did you want mayonnaise? Some of the state parks in West Virginia have this swing, so here are some of the pictures we got, and they did turn super cute. You can see little pops of the fall starting. We are definitely going to come back once the leaves start changing more. It is only 23-minute drive, and it is so beautiful. We forget how beautiful it is. It was such a good day to come today. Hey, babe.
Yeah.
You better lick. You're dripping. So only one item came from my Maurice's order, so the haul is pending for when the rest of it comes in. Okay, we are home for now, so let's do a haul from Goodwill, the bookstores, and Hobby Lobby. Let's do Goodwill first. Okay, so for Goodwill for $10.99, I got these TVO waterproof boots. While we were there, I Google Lensed them, and then I looked at the website. They are actually $110, and like 800 people had them in their cart. So they were my size, they were perfect. Again, $10.99. Love them. I think this will be cute for like when we go on our little cabin trip to wear shopping and all that kind of stuff. So just a cute little boot. And then from Strange Light, I did get a sticker, a Talent for Murder, and the note. And then from Hobby Lobby, we got this gorgeous stained glass nativity. And then I got this to put somewhere in the living room. And then I did get the new viral garland that I wanted. And it does light up. So, and then from Valley Falls, we got the magnet. And then I got a sticker for the scrapbook as well. We're going to get changed into our comfies and sit down for a little bit. Alright, we have made it to another night. Today was such a good day, and I'm so glad we got to go to Valley Falls and have a picnic. It was so worth it. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.